Today, we are going to talk about variables and how could you name a variable. Variables play a very important role in most programming languages. A variable allows you to store a value by assigning a value to a name, and you can refer to this value with this name. To assign a variable, you will use an equal sign. Unlike most of the lines of code we have seen so far, it will not produce any output on the Python console unless you use a print function after it. You can use variables to perform corresponding operations, just like using numbers and strings. As you can see, the variable stores its value in the program. Quick question to help you understand. Which one would you think is the output of the following code? Variables can be reassigned multiple times at will. In Python, variables do not have specific types, so you can assign a string to a variable. Now, choose to fill in the blanks below to make the code work properly. Variable name. There are some restrictions on the naming of Python variable names. The characters allowed to use in variable names are letters, numbers, and underscores. And variables cannot start with numbers. Failure to follow these rules will lead to errors. Little tips for you. Python is a programming language that distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase. Therefore, the uppercase word last name and the lowercase last name are two different variable names in Python.